Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, there was quite a long time I have not uploaded a video on this channel. I was quite occupied with other things and a lot of trading. Okay, so I will try to be consistent on the channel and will be uploading the videos from now on. So, as the title says, will the market crash? Is the market going to crash? Because people who have seen these two falls, because in majorly in Bank Nifty, are saying that market is going to crash. Most of them are saying this. So what can we expect at this stage? What should we do? Okay, now to see a bigger picture, we should always move to a higher time frame. So I will move to the 1 month time frame. Okay, now we will see that from 7,500 market has almost touched 15,000. Okay, I mean there is 400 points difference, but it has almost touched not on 400, sorry, it is somewhere 300 points difference. Okay, so it has almost touched 1500, so almost double. Okay, from here to here. Okay, now what is the crash is the first question. Okay, if you have to say something is going to crash, that means if whatever you have gained in a long period of time, okay, is eradicated in a very short period of time, that we'll consider as a crash. That is called as a crash, okay, in market terms. Okay, now we'll see an example also here. If you see from 2016, sorry, we'll come here because on the same level, right? We'll come here from 2014. If you see, it has gone until this point, and then to come back to on the same level, it has almost taken 2 months. So it took 6 years to go there, but it came back in just 2 months. Okay, so this is called as crash scenario. Okay, this we will call as crash scenario. Okay, now we'll see the previous data. Previously, if you remember, there was one crash that was 2018. Sorry, 2008. Okay, so if you see that 2008 crash, if you see from April 2003, it went up to so high in 2000 until 2008, but that crash was a little slower compared to the last crash. I mean last crash as in 2020 crash. Okay, so here also almost 70% of the wealth created was eradicated or destroyed in this crash. Okay, but see what happened. It took little time to recover. Okay, it took little time to recover, and it did not break the high as such in very short time. Again, from 2010 to 2012, or almost or you can say 2013, almost 2013, 3 years it stayed in a very short range. It did not break. Okay, and after that, once it has broke, now again it came back, but it did not break the previous tested place. Okay, and then it again came back. So here also you'll not call a crash, it will again call a small correction. It is not a crash. Okay, now from here again, from this point, if you see, it went up. Okay, now it has tested this place. That means the previous low, this point where it was tested. I'll again redraw it. This place almost it was about to test. Okay, so it has almost come until here and then gone back. Now here it is very weird scenario for us to see that previously what it was doing, it was not going up as such. Okay, it was taking some time and then it was going out, but this time what it has done, it has gone out, because more people have a lot of investing power. Here the investing power was quite less. Okay, yes, comparatively it was very less. The digital world was very less. Here now we have everything on the fingertips. The internet is very booming thing. We have what do we say, brokers with zero delivery charges. That means you don't have to pay any single penny if you are buying an equity for long term. So there are many things going on here, and people are more aware now. Okay, people are more aware. So this place, people have gone and taken out this place very easily, which has not happened in the history until now. A history as in what we are seeing in the Nifty history. Okay, it has not happened here. So now if it has happened, now do you really think it will come back to this place? No. The straight away answer is no, because people will more and more start buying now, because more people are knowing about stock market. For example, people are knowing about Harshad Mehta, people are knowing about what is stock market, people are trying to understand where to invest, when to invest, and there are many things going on. Okay, so now logically where market can come down? Okay, market can come until here. So this is not a crash, this is a correction. If you see from here to here, it will be minor 30%. Okay, or even max 20% or 40%. Okay, so I'll not call it as a crash, it is a correction. And this is a very good opportunity for the people who have missed this buying period. Okay, when market comes back to this place, start buying. Okay, start buying stocks for very long term. I'm telling you, for 10 years. From here maybe market can go anywhere. So if market did not go anywhere, the stocks which may perform very good can be a good pick to buy. Okay, so now, is market going to crash? No, for me, no. We'll consider a crash only once 11,000 level is crossed. This level, nearby 11,000 level, is crossed. Until then, for me, there is no crash as such. Market is gonna correct because in 1 year, almost a 1 year rally has been there after the fall. So the fall had started from Jan, and then now from April it has started, and Jan, it's almost end of Jan, and it is still going up. So I will still consider this as a cycle. It has to bounce little bit here, it has to come, bounce, and then go up. From here, if I see any buying candle, it is a very good sign for me to buy. Okay, so now we are not in a crash scenario, we will always be in a buying scenario. So remember one thing, always be in a buying scenario, as in market or Nifty will not become zero any day. Any day it will not become zero. Okay, remember that. So it is always an opportunity, and in long term, good stocks and index will always be going higher and higher. Okay, always remember that. So a dip from here can give us a buying opportunity. So think that market will go give us a dip. Yes, I was expecting a dip, even I had informed my students also. So I was expecting a dip. So dip here can give us a buying opportunity for investing. And for trading, if you are planning for a trade, again, market will come here, is what I think with my analysis. It will break 13,000 and 12,000. Yes, not in a day, not in a day. So remember that it might take little time, and for budget session it might be little volatile. So plan your trades accordingly to that. Okay, so for Nifty it will be 13,000 to 12,000 level, and for Bank Nifty from 27,000 to 28,000 it can come down from until there. So this is the plan. It will not crash, at least for me. It is not crash, it is a small correction, and then it will go up. Okay, so if the video has helped you, you have understood something from this, please share the video so that your friends also join here and everyone makes money together. And then like the video. Thanks a lot.